Oh, very good morning, dear students. Today, I am going to do the two-way problems by shortcut method by calculator only. Now, example 1. Set up an analysis of variance table for the following per acre production data for the three varieties of wheat, each grown on 4 plots. Stated the variety differences are significant at 5% level. Now, the plot 1, 2, 3, 4, and varieties of the wheat A, B, C, and their results are 6, 7, 3, 8, 5, 5, 3, 7, 5, 4, 3, 4. Okay. Now, my dear students, please pay the attention. Now, solution. Look here. Solution. Whatever the given in the problem, I summarized it. Look here. Plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, plot 4. And next, one more row, you take a PI. And A, B, C. Three wheat varieties are given. Their results are also given. You can enter here, and one more column you take a TI. And this is the last column is summation of xi square. Okay. Now, look here. This is A plus B plus C is the TI. Now, 6 plus 5 plus 5, 60. Don't worry about summation of xi square. No calculation. I will tell you how to get direct values from calculator. And 7 plus 5 plus 4, 60. You write. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 you write. And similarly here, look here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You have to add, that is PI. 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8. It is a 24. And similarly, 5 plus 5, 3 plus 7. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. It is a 20. You write. Then 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 16. You write. Look here. At the bottom, you write N. This is total observations. Look here. 1, 2, 3 columns are there. And rows, first row, second row, third row, 4. 4 rows are there. 3 into 4, 12. Total observations you write. R equal to 4 means how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. R equal to 4 rows. And columns, look here. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. C equal to 3 columns. And now state the hypothesis. H0 equal to, look here. Here, 3 columns are there, 4 rows are there. Whichever is more, that you take. So much means you take. Mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4. And mu1 is not, this is opposite of null hypothesis. Then this is equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to. And this statement is true for rows and columns, both. Okay. And for the columns only, mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. For the row, it becomes mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4 because 4 rows are there. Okay. Now, next calculation. My dear students, CF equal to T square upon N. Look here. T value and N value. Look here. Now, this is the T. 16 plus 16 plus 9. This is plus 19. 60. Look here. 16 plus 16 plus 9 plus 19. 60. This is the T value. Total sum of total observations it is 60. Look here. T equal to 60 and N equal to 12. You can write this value here and make a calculation. You are getting 300. And TSS equal to, simply write a formula. The summation of xi squared minus the CF. If you don't know the formula in the booklet, these formulas are there. You see there and write only formulas. Don't worry about these values. I will get you directly from calculator. SSR equal to summation of TI squared divided by NI minus CF. If you don't not by heart that formula, you see that booklet, the formula booklet and write. SSC, summation of pi square upon ni minus CM equal to 8, the 32, 18, 8. I will get you those values later on. SSE, you write here. TSS, look here, TSS minus these two values. TSS minus SSR minus SSA. Okay. Now, I look here, I tell you how to get them. In a book, very, very lengthy way, they have calculated them. Now, look here. The very, very, very important is this ANOVA table. Examiner sees this table and this judgment at the bottom and give the full marks if it is correct. Therefore, this table is very important. I tell you how to get it from the calculator. Look here, variations, rows, columns, error, total. Degrees of freedom. For the row, R minus 1. And 4 rows are there, 4 minus 1, 3. You write. And columns, degrees of freedom, C minus 1. 3 columns are there, 3 minus 1, 2. Then error, R minus 1 into C minus 1. 3 into 2, 6 you write. And total is N minus 1. N is 12 minus 1, L1. Look here. If you add these three things, you must get L1. Matching should be there. If no matching, you might have committed a mistake. Rectify your mistake. And SS, look here. SSR, look here. For the row, you write SSR. For the columns, SSC. For the error, SSC. And total, TSS. And next column is MSS. MSR equal to SSR divided by R minus 1. Look, SSR divided by R minus 1. This is MSR. And MSC, look here, SSC for MSS, it becomes MSC equal to SSC divided by C minus 1. SSC divided by C minus 1. Then MSE, SSE divided by R minus 1, C minus 1. Look here. SSE divided by its degrees of freedom, R minus 1, C minus 1. Okay. Now, my dear students, I tell you how to get TSS and SSR and SSC value in calculator. If you know these three, this can be easily calculated because sum of these three equal to last TSS. From subtract from TSS these two values. You are getting? Now look here. Now, my dear students, in calculator, I tell you, look here, see here, TSS calculation. You press the mode button, third button, that is the start button, actually, and then fourth button, it gives variance, and then third button, it gives sigma x square. Look here. No, here. TSS. Mode button, third button, start button, one button. Look here. Not here. Sorry, I am sorry, extremely sorry. Look here, TSS. Press the mode button, third button, that is a start button, and press the number one button. And you have to enter all the xi values. Look here, I tell you, these are coming from the table. Look here, xi values. 6 equal to button, 5 equal to button, 5 equal to button, 7 equal to button, 5 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 8 equal to button, 7 equal to button, 4 equal to button. And press the AC last. Okay. Now, how you are getting? Please look here, my dear students. Look here. Now, here. Look here, where you came here. Look here, AC. AC, you entered all the observations and press the AC button. Afterwards, you press the shift button and one, it is a start, and then press the fourth button, number 4. This is gives variance. And then third button, it gives sigma x. But you want sigma x square. Then you press the x square button. On the display, you must get sigma x square. After getting sigma x square, multiply it by n. N equal to how much? 12. And if you multiply it by 12, on the display you are getting sigma x square. Into you take, multiply it by 12. And equal to button you press, 32 you are getting, that is TSS. And enter the TSS value in the table. Then how to find out SSR? Look here. For the SSR, you remember n into summation of x bar square minus x double bar, or it can be also written like this. Summation of Ti upon Ni minus x double bar square. Then look here. The Ti upon Ni is x bar. X bar is Ti upon Ni. That is row mean of the row. You have to find out mean of row. And x double bar, this is the mean of total observations. Look here. Total observations already I entered in the calculator. And from that you can get x bar. Look here. First you find out x bar. Look here. Then here x double bar. Here x double bar. How to find out? Look here. Shift 1 start button and 4th variance button. Then look here. 2, that is x bar button, equal to whatever you are getting, that is the x double bar. And I want to use in calculations. Therefore, you can store it in the calculator itself. Shift RCL and X. You store the X bar in X, letter X, and press the AC button. Then, okay, you got the X double bar. And now, Ti upon Ni you have to calculate. Look here, Ti upon Ni. And store them in the letter A, B, C. Look here, Ti, here, 16 upon 3 equal to button. And store this value in letter A. 16 upon 3 equal to button. And store this value in letter B. And 9 upon 3 equal to button. And store this value in letter C. And 19 upon 3 equal to button you press. And store this value in D. Okay. Now, the same thing I have given in calculator notation. Look here. 16 upon 3 equal to button. Whatever you are getting, you store in a letter A and press the AC button. Then, second reading is also 16. Second row is also 16. 16 upon 3 equal to button. Whatever you are getting, and store it in the letter B and press the AC button. Okay. Now, next, third row, the total is 9. 9 upon 3 equal to button. Whatever you are getting, store it in letter C and press the AC button. And next, last row sum is 19. 19 upon 3 equal to button. You are getting the X bar, shift and store it in letter D and press the AC. Now, look here, my dear students, very important. After pressing the AC, you press the mode button and third button, that is the start mode, and then 1, that is variables. 1 variables, you press it, and window, the column opened there. In the column, you write, look here, you store the values in A, B, C, D, and also X. Now, alpha A minus alpha X equal to button. Okay, then next, alpha B minus alpha X equal to button. And alpha C minus alpha X equal to button. Alpha D minus alpha X equal to button. And last, AC button. Then, my dear students, press the shift button, 1 button, that is statical mode button. And third button, number 3 you press, you are getting sum. Then after sum, you take the 1, and that is X square button. Multiply it by Ni. How many elements are there? 3 elements are there in each row, 3 elements. Then look here, X square you are getting on display of calculator into 3. equal to 18 you are getting. That 18 is SSR. Okay, how easy it is. Look here, otherwise you get the water to get this value by mechanical way. Then SSC, look here, summation of Pi upon Ni, X bar square. Already X bar is stored in X. Then you have to calculate Pi upon Ni. Look here, and look here, P1 upon N1 equal to button, and store it in letter A, and P2 upon N2 equal to button, store it in letter B, and P3 upon N3 equal to button, store it in letter C. Look here, I will tell you, show you. Look here, I will show you from the table. It is more clear. Look here. Here. And only 3 columns are there. Means 3 means are coming. Look here, 24 upon 4. How many? Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 variables are there. Sum of 4 values. 24 upon 4 equal to button, and store this value in letter A. And 20 upon 4 equal to button, whatever value you are getting, you store it in letter B. And 16 upon 4 equal to button, and store in a letter C. Okay, look here, I am going to show you the same thing in calculator notation. Look here. See, here, 24 upon 4 equal to button, shift RCL A. Means I stored this mean value in letter A and AC button. And 20 upon 4 equal to button, whatever you are getting, store in a letter B, AC button. And 16 upon 4 equal to button, and store this value in a letter C and AC button. Now look here, in the same way, what you have done in earlier, in the same way you have to do here. Then, 4th step, press the mode button, 3rd button, start button. Means 3rd button means it is a start mode button. 3rd button, 3, and then 1 button and variable. Look here, the column opens there. Inside the column, you take alpha A minus alpha X equal to button. Alpha B minus alpha X equal to button. Alpha C minus alpha X equal to button. Because only 3 rows are there. Don't take alpha D. It becomes wrong. Then AC. Then shift 1. It is statical mode. 3rd but 3, you have to press it, is sum you are getting, and 1, that is X square, values you are getting, multiply it by Ni. How many values are there in each column? 4 values. And on the display, you are getting X square, summation of X square you are getting, and multiply it by 4. You get 8. That is SSC. And look here, SSE equal to TSS minus SSR. Now we already have calculated TSS, and SSR also calculated SSE, and SSE can be easily calculated. It is 6. Now you can enter all those values here. Look here, SSR 18, SSE 8, SSE 6, TSS 32, and rest of them calculate SSR upon R minus 1, 18 upon 3, 6 you are getting. And this is SSC divided by C minus 1, 8 upon 2, 4 you are getting. And SSC divided by this, 6 upon 6, 1 you are getting. FR, MSR upon MSC. Look here, this value divided by this value. This value divided by this value. Suppose MSR, MSC greater than MSC. Suppose MSC is greater. MSC divided by these 2 values you have to take. Suppose MSC is 15. 15 upon 6 and 15 upon 4 you have to take. But here MSC is smaller than MSR, MSC. Then the 6 upon 1, 6. Then look here, table value you are getting. You have to calculate value from the table. For that purpose, what you have to do, MSR, its degrees of freedom 3. And MSE, look here, its degrees of freedom 6. And this is mu1 and mu2. You can find the table value of FR. Okay. Then, similarly, here, look here, MSc upon MSc. Look here, 4 upon 1, 4. And it's degrees of freedom, you are right. MSc degrees of freedom, 2, 2. And MSc degrees of freedom, 6. From table, you are getting the FT value. Okay, now, say, look here, FT at 0.05. You open the log table, 0.5% with the degrees of freedom 3. Look here, degrees of freedom 3 and no to 6. And its value from the table 4.76. And compare this value with calculated value. Look here, 4.7 and 6. Look here, 6, 4.7. And 6 is greater than 4.7, 4.76. Therefore, H0 is rejected. Okay, rejected for rows it is. And similarly, here, FT at 0.5 with the degrees of freedom 2 and 6. Look here, 2 and 6. Look here, 2 and 6. Same. 2 and 6. From the table, you are getting 5.42. You compare this value with FC. FC, you are getting 4. And this value, look here, 4 is smaller than this. Then H0 is accepted for the columns. So in that way, in this way, you write the answer. My dear students, wish you good luck. Have a nice time. And wish you good luck for exam. Okay.